5 insider tips to make a fortune trading with Miguel Donna. Hey there, folks. If you're anything like me, you're always on the lookout for ways to make a quick buck, am I right? Well, today I'm here to spill the beans on a surefire way to make a killing in the world of cryptocurrency trading. And guess what? It all comes down to one man, the one and only Miguel Donna. Now, I know what you're thinking, another get-rich-quick scheme. No thanks, Ryan. But hear me out, my dudes. Miguel Donna is the real deal, a bona fide crypto trading legend who's made a fortune by playing the market like a fiddle. And he's about to share his secrets with you, the lucky few who stick around and watch this video till the end. You see, Miguel has been in the game for years, and he's amassed a wealth of knowledge that could put your average Wall Street broker to shame. And he's not just some talking head, he's put his money where his mouth is, raking in the dough time and time again. In fact, just last year, he managed to turn a measly $5,000 investment into a cool $500,000. Can you say life-changing? So, what's the secret, you ask? Well, my friends, that's what I'm here to reveal. Buckle up because you're about to learn the insider tips that could transform your financial future. And the best part? You don't even need to be a crypto wizard to make it work, just a willingness to listen and take action. All right, let's dive in, shall we? Tip number 1. Diversify, diversify, diversify. Miguel swears by this golden rule, and for good reason. You can't just throw all your eggs in one basket and expect to come out on top. Nah, you gotta spread that risk around, my dudes. Miguel's portfolio is like a buffet of cryptocurrencies, a little Bitcoin here, a sprinkle of Ethereum there, and a whole lot of altcoins to keep things interesting. Tip number 2. Timing is everything. Miguel's got a knack for sniffing out the perfect moment to make a move. He's like a crypto Sherlock Holmes, always one step ahead of the game. And let me tell you, the dude's timing is impeccable. He knows when to buy, when to sell, and when to hold tight. It's like he's got a crystal ball or something. All right, now for tip number 3. Leverage, baby. Miguel knows that sometimes you gotta risk it to get the biscuit, and he's a pro at using leverage to amplify his gains. But be warned, my friends, leverage is a double-edged sword, and if you're not careful, it can cut you deep. Miguel's got a foolproof system, but it ain't for the faint of heart. Tip number 4. Stay on top of the news. Miguel's got his ear to the ground, always keeping tabs on the latest crypto trends and developments. He's like a walking, talking Bloomberg terminal, my dudes. And he uses that intel to his advantage, making moves that leave the rest of us scratching our heads in awe. And last but not least, tip number 5. Discipline, discipline, discipline. Miguel's got it in spades, my friends. He's not the kind of guy to let his emotions get the best of him. Nah, he's as cool as a cucumber, always sticking to his plan and never wavering. It's a trait that's served him well, and it's one that you'll need to cultivate if you want to follow in his footsteps. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let me tell you, my dudes, Miguel is the real deal. And he's about to share his secrets with you, the lucky few who have the guts to stick around and watch this video till the end. So, what are you waiting for? Grab a pen and paper and get ready to take some serious notes. Because when this video's over, you're gonna have the keys to the crypto kingdom. And trust me, once you see what Miguel's got up his sleeve, you're gonna be kicking yourself for not getting in on the action sooner. Oh, and one more thing, when you sign up for that cryptocurrency exchange we mentioned earlier, Binks, be sure to use the referral code 911. Trust me, it's gonna pay off big time. All the links and contacts you need are right here in the description, so don't sleep on it, my friends. All right, let's do this. Get ready to have your mind blown, cause Miguel's about to take you on a wild ride. Let's go.